Automating Google Workspace and working with GAS files. This is a Google Apps script file used to extend Google services with custom code. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these scripts. A critical part of my workflow, having a universal file viewer installed, acts as a quick test for GAS file damage. My exact recommendation is linked below. A GAS file contains source code written in Google Apps Script, a cloud-based scripting language based on JavaScript for automating tasks across Google products like Sheets, Docs, and Gmail. Users create these files within the Google Workspace ecosystem to build add-ons, create custom functions, and integrate different Google services programmatically. The file is plain text containing JavaScript-based code that interacts with Google's proprietary application APIs. This text-based server-side design allows for easy version control, sharing, and execution within Google's cloud infrastructure, removing the need for any local software installation or compilation by the end user. The code is managed and run directly on Google's servers. The ideal software for creation and opening of GAS is Google Apps Script from Google LLC. Native Windows association often leads to errors due to the file's complexity and proprietary format. Windows cannot interpret scripting languages automatically, requiring the proper toolset. Your first move is to identify the possible decoders. Right-click the GAS file and choose Open With. Use Google Apps Script if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. Testing is the fastest diagnostic method. If your GAS file will not open yet, do not panic. General troubleshooting won't work on this GAS file due to its complexity. We need to check off these specific items before we can attempt the solution. First, opening an app's script editor. Visit script.google.com and use File then Import or paste the GAS file contents into a new script project. The app's script editor provides syntax highlighting, auto-completion debugging, and integrated documentation for Google Apps script development workflows. Next, binding to Google services. Open a Google Sheet doc form or site and use extensions then apps script to access the bound script editor. Paste GAS code into the editor and save, and the script becomes available within the document for menu items, custom functions, or triggered automation. Finally, deploying as web app. Use deploy then new deployment in the app's script editor to publish the script as a web app or API executable. Configure access permissions and deployment options to make the script accessible via HTTPS endpoint, suitable for integration with external systems and websites. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagic is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagic.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.